Okay, so as you can see, I have already made the power supply. I have added the switch, the wires and the DC connector to it. And for checking this, for testing it, I'm going to use my power adapter, which has an output of 12 volt 1 ampere. And if I connect it to power supply, you can see the LED has turned on of the module, of the LM2596 module. And here 3 such LEDs which indicate the output. Next, for just being sure, I am going to check my adapter output, and for this I am going to set my multimeter to 20 volt limit, and I'm going to connect my probe. And if we connect my probe, you can see I'm getting almost 12.1, 12.11 or 12.1. Okay, next if I connect the LM2596 module, I am getting 9 volt straight away. So let's just check it if we turn the potentiometers to maximum. So as I turn it, the potentiometers, we are getting almost 11.5, and you have to keep in mind that we are getting a 12 volt, we are giving a 12 volt input, and it is giving 11.5 as peak voltage. And next I am going to turn the knob other way, so we are going to check for the minimum voltage we are getting. So according to the paper given by the seller, we should get around 1.2, and as you can see, we are almost getting 1.2, 1.25. Yeah, it's almost 1.2. Okay, next I'm going to set it to 5 volt, as I'm going to need it. Okay, that's it for the testing. So I have to tell that this LM2596 module is very cheap, and you can make this adjustable power supply with a few bucks. And for 12 volt 1 ampere input, it is giving a maximum output of 11.5 volt and a minimum of 1.2 volt. It has capability of 35 volt maximum input. So thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.